Well, I think to identify one's weaknesses, it takes two parts to an equation. One, it takes some self-awareness, and two, it takes perspective of the others. So talking about self-awareness first, one of the most powerful ways to identify weaknesses or gaps in one's ability or awareness or competency or strength is to go right to the heart of what you're afraid of. Because it's our fears that really are those source points for our perceived weaknesses. And so, for example, if you're wanting to know what your weaknesses are in the realm of communication and you find that, wow, I'm really fearful of public speaking, well, right there is pointing to, well, you know what? There's probably opportunities for growth and so opportunities for strengthening my ability to show up more strongly. It's not that we're saying that we are weak by not wanting to go and speak in front of others, but there's an opportunity for growth. And so to find those areas of opportunity, we have to see where we're afraid. And if we can see and honor those honestly, and you want to do something about it, then once you know, then you can take steps. That's the first part of the equation. The second part of the equation is perspective. Ask those around you that know you. Ask those that you trust. Say, hey, if I were to take my life, to a 10 out of 10, 0 to 10, if I'm here at 8 and I wanted to take it to a 10, what is that gap about for me? Asking your friends, because they'll probably be quick to say exactly what you would need in order to close that gap.